Good morning, students. In today's video, we will discuss our next topic, that is dishonor of negotiable instrument. Dishonor of instrument means when the instrument is not satisfied at the time of maturity is called dishonor of negotiable instrument. Dishonor is possible in two ways. First way is dishonor by non-acceptance and second is dishonor by non-payment. Bill of exchange may be dishonored in both the ways, but check and promissory note can be dishonored only by non-payment. First, we are discussing the dishonor by non-acceptance. It is covered under section 91. Dishonor by non-acceptance is possible in the ways as visible on your screen. First, if the drawee does not accept the bill within 48 hours from the time of presentment. Second, if there are several drawees and all of them do not accept, when presentment for acceptance is excused and bill is not accepted, the drawee is incompetent to contract, drawee gives a qualified acceptance, or drawee is a fictitious person and cannot be found even after reasonable search. Second, dishonor by non-payment. It is covered under section 92. A promissory note, bill of exchange, or check is said to be dishonored by non-payment when the maker of the note, acceptor of the bill, or drawee of the check makes default in payment upon duly requiring to pay the same. So these are the two ways in which a negotiable instrument is dishonored. Next, we are looking at notice of dishonor. It is necessary that when a negotiable instrument is dishonored either by non-acceptance or by non-payment, the holder of the instrument or some party to it who is liable thereon must give a notice of dishonor to all the prior parties whom he wants to make liable on the instrument. So, notice by whom? Notice by can be given by the holder or any prior party. It may be given by chain method of giving notice of dishonor, or it may be notice by principal or agent. Next, notice to whom? First इसमें आता है notice to all parties whom the holder seeks to make liable. Second, notice to party or his agent or to the legal representative और टू दी असाइनी. लीगल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव यदि डेथ के केस में है और असाइनी इन केस ऑफ इंसॉल्वेंसी के केस में होता है. नेक्स्ट हम देख रहे हैं फॉर्म ऑफ नोटिस क्या होगा. इसमें जो नोटिस है इट मे बी ओरल और रिटन, और इट मे बी पार्टली ओरल और पार्टली रिटन. यदि ये रिटन है इट मे बी सेंट बाय पोस्ट. इट मे बी इन एनी फॉर्म. पर्पस क्या है? उस पार्टी को इन्फॉर्म करना टू whom it is given either in express terms or by reasonable intendment that the instrument has been dishonored. नेक्स्ट हम देख रहे हैं देर आर सर्टन सिचुएशंस जब नोटिस ऑफ डिसऑनर इज अननेसेसरी. इट इज़ कवर्ड अंडर सेक्शन 98. तो अननेसेसरी होता है नोटिस सर्व करना. केसेस फर्स्ट इसमें आते हैं जब party who is entitled to the notice may expressly or implied waive the same, that the party has mentioned notice of dishonor not required. Next इसमें आता है when the party entitled to notice cannot be found after due search. Next आता है when the drawer and the acceptor are the same person. In case of promissory note which is not negotiable. Next, when the party entitled to notice knowing the facts unconditionally agree to pay the amount. So these are the cases when notice of dishonor is not necessary. Next, we are looking at noting and protesting. When a negotiable instrument is dishonored, the holder may sue the prior parties, that is, the drawer and the endorsers, after he has given a notice of dishonor to them. The holder may need an authentic evidence of the fact that a negotiable instrument has been dishonored. जैसे कि when a check is dishonored, the bank who refuses payment returns back the check giving reasons in writing for the dishonor of the check. तो ऐसी पार्टी जिसको नोटिस दे दिया गया है उसको लीगली स्यू करने के लिए प्रोटेस्टिंग रिक्वायर्ड होती है. तो नेक्स्ट वी आर लुकिंग प्रोटेस्ट क्या होता है. प्रोटेस्ट इज अ फॉर्मल सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ द नोटरी पब्लिक अटेस्टिंग द डिसऑनर ऑफ द बिल बाय नॉन एक्सेप्टेंस और बाय नॉन पेमेंट. नोटिंग के बाद ये नेक्स्ट स्टेप आता है जिसमें नोटरी एक सर्टिफिकेट ड्रॉ करती है. The main advantage of protest is that the court on proof of the protest shall presume the fact of dishonor. तो यानी कि एक तरीके से डिसऑनर के लिए एविडेंस का काम करता है. So in this video we have discussed dishonor, noting and protest. Thank you.